I'm going to show you now how to do shoulder traction with a rope. If you don't have a rope, you can do it also with a belt, but the rope is better and you need quite a long rope. And I hold the rope, the knot with my right hand and the other side with my left hand, insert the elbows in and move it under my armpits. And then I lift the knot and pass it through here, catch it with your left hand and pull. And then I want to have the rope close to my neck. Okay, so with my right hand, I bring it close and then throw it back and catch it at the back. So I pull the trapezius muscle down, shoulder blades in, and you see how much the chest is open. And this is a very nice feeling to move the trapezius down away from the neck because it releases the neck. And you already feel good. You feel softness in the throat. Now, this is good for Tadasana, but if we want to do Urdhva, for example, and you don't have somebody to pull the rope, you can use a belt. So, there is a belt here, and I take the free edge of the belt without the buckle, insert it here in the loop of the rope, and connect it here. In this way, I'll be able to tighten it. Okay, so it is more or less hanging here. Okay, and I put the belt under my heels and try to stretch my legs. I want a little bit more pull. So it's easy. I just bend my knees and tighten it more. Okay, you can move it slightly here. Tighten it. Make sure it is close to your neck and okay, so now it is pulling. And then you can stand in Tadasana with your hands free. And you can also do Urdhva or Urdhva Badangulyasana. Okay, and you can also do Supta Tadasana. You'll need a plank or any kind of a stick. Okay, so you catch the belt here, sit down, insert the plank inside. Okay, and then heels on the plank, lie down, and you're stretching your legs to get the traction. And this is a very nice way to do Supta Tadasana and relax here. And you can do also Supta Urdhva Hastasana.